There are 3 steps you can take to get your oven performing at its very best. Use an oven thermometer like this to make sure 350 is actually 350. Hang the oven thermometer just like that from the rack and keep an eye on it for about 10 to 15 minutes. If the temperature is off more than just a few degrees, you can calibrate it according to the owner's manual. For great bakes, your oven and oven racks should be level. Using a carpenter's level like this, check how level your oven is. Start by putting it up top and then into the cold oven to make sure the rack is level. Our ovens are in a cabinet, but if yours have adjustable feet on the bottom, grab a buddy and have somebody help you adjust it so that it measures level. If you have a self-cleaning oven, go for it because this is a really easy option. Just make sure when the cycle is over and the oven is cooled, you wipe out all of the ash. Another easy way to self-clean your oven is to put the power of citrus to use. Mix the juice of 2 lemons and a 1/3 cup of water and place in an oven-safe dish at 250 for 30 minutes. This can really help loosen up any grease. And don't forget to wipe down the racks too.